if we can. They're flying from the same, I think the same unit, aren't we? Oh, okay. They fly. I think they both flew out of Lemoore, though. I usually go left to right. Stay away from the sun.
Take off flaps.
I think you can turn right about there.
You go first.
As of late, I've been forgetting if I turn this thing on, and I did. Okay.
Timer cleared.
Okay, take off flaps. Ready?
Gear up. Flaps up.
I'll throttle back.
Good morning, Jack. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Rick.
I like my balance. Sounds better than last week. We'll just hang out right there. I'll wait for you. And go ahead and pass me, and I'll come behind you. There we go.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Okay, go ahead. I'll follow. Get a little speed.
I've been paying attention to a lot of the Star Wars canon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, I want to go down there so bad. One of my patients, I was telling him about it.
Uh-huh.
He goes, oh yeah, let me know when you go. I'll go with you. Next thing I get this text from him.
He's there?
Yeah, I'm like, you effer. You effer. Don't call me if you have an emergency.
You call me when you're there.
And he got two A-10 pictures.
Oh, man.
I'm like, dude,
Yeah.
you just put a hole up my ass. He was on his way to Death Valley, so he had to stop through, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, that's for sure on my list. I got to do that.
I'm trying to figure out when to go. The later we go toward the summer,
Then it's going to be hotter.
Like 100 degrees.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I can stand 100 degrees. It's so dry out there that's no big deal.
Yeah.
But
it's almost always best through the winter.
And there's no shade, you know.
Right, none.
And
No.
I noticed that some of the guys on Instagram have posted, you know, kind of when they took the picture, like the kids that you know.
Mm-hmm.
And it's all weekdays.
Right.
Anything on the weekend.
Mm-mm.
So for me, I'm off on Monday, but if I'm there all day till 4 p.m. and finally they start flying, I got 7 hours of driving.
Right, and you got to drive back to get here. Yeah.
You know, so it sucks. There is a hotel that's nearby, like 15 minutes away, in Panamint Valley or something like that.
Yeah, that's for sure on my list. I got to go.
But when he was there, they said that the guys there were like waiting there for like 4 hours before anything even occurred.
Oh, wow.
It was on a Monday, like the first Monday in April.
Okay.
So it's hit or miss, you know. You don't know when they're gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna come in.
Yeah, okay.
10, 9, 8, 7.
But from what I can tell, even if you only get a couple passes, it's worth it.
Oh yeah, I think so. But
One.
I'm worried about the shutter
Time
speed.
expired.
Coming in from the left.
You gotta have everything right.
You know. So, and I messaged one guy. He uses a 200 to 500 millimeter lens.
Right.
I can't see how that's got to be thousands.
You gotta get it just right. I mean, you don't get a whole lot of practice either.
No, you don't.
When they come through, they come through.
Come
Yeah.
in. If I put this
Yeah,
over
let me
there?
land first, and then I'll
Okay.
do it, because that thing always gets in my
On
way.
the right side.
I'm about to come in right now.
Gear down.
Come on in, taxi in, Greg. I'm good. I've been flying low throttle, so I'll be all right.
Landing flaps.
All right, go ahead, Jeff. That was fun, Greg. Good.
Yeah, that's nice. You think it's definitely more powerful.
1 minute
I saw it on
over.
takeoff. I'm like, what
Yeah, it makes a different noise too. All right. Oh, let me. You know what? While I'm here, I'm gonna do this. EDFs are good for something. Go ahead and take off, and I'll blow it off.
Blow it off?
Yeah. Oh wait, this stuff's just stuck. Yeah, go ahead and fly. I'll deal with it later.
Oh, you can do it now.
Nah, I gotta break it up, so I'll do it later.
I got some problems.
Uh-oh.
What the heck is going on?
No ailerons or what?
No, nothing. Oh, there it was.
Wrong switch?
Yeah, I had low rate, and man, that low rate is nothing.
There's nothing there.